In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reCAPTCHA in Webflow. First, head to Webflow and open your Sites area so you can see the list of projects. From there, go to your dashboard, then open the specific project you want to work on by choosing Open in Webflow. That launches the Designer, which is where we'll make the change. Inside the Designer, navigate to the page that contains your form. Click directly on the form wrapper or the form block to highlight it. If you have multiple layers, the navigator can help you quickly select the correct form element. With the form selected, use the interface search to find the option for reCAPTCHA. Typing a few letters makes it easy to locate the right control. When you see it, click to add or enable it on the form you've highlighted. As soon as reCAPTCHA is active, you'll notice an on-screen note explaining what it does. reCAPTCHA protects your website from spam and abuse by making sure a form is only submitted by humans. That confirmation is helpful because it tells you the protection has been attached to the form you're working on. You'll also see an important reminder. If you use reCAPTCHA on one form in your site, you need to use it on all forms across the project. This keeps your anti-spam strategy consistent and prevents bots from finding unprotected forms elsewhere on your site. A quick tip you'll encounter reinforces this. For reCAPTCHA to work properly, it requires a bit of extra attention in your project settings. Keep that in mind as you proceed. There's also a Learn More link right in the interface. Clicking that opens detailed documentation if you want a deeper dive into how the integration behaves, best practices, and troubleshooting guidance. Once you've reviewed those notes, click back on the highlighted form and confirm that reCAPTCHA is visibly attached. If your design uses more than one form, repeat the same enablement flow for each one so everything stays aligned with that project-wide requirement. Consistency here reduces confusion for your visitors and ensures you're not leaving a gap for spam submissions. That's the process. Open your project from the dashboard, select your form in the Designer, use search to quickly locate reCAPTCHA, enable it, read the on-screen guidance, and make sure all forms in the project follow suit. When you're done, your forms will have a strong first line of defense against unwanted submissions, while keeping things